Operation mechanism technology to produce super strong materials with high tensile strength. The development of high-strength materials with exceptional tensile strength has revolutionized the way we design and manufacture a wide range of products, from aerospace components to high-performance sports equipment. In this article, we will explore the mechanism behind the production of these ultra-strong materials. The production of high-strength materials typically involves the use of advanced manufacturing techniques and materials science. One of the key materials used in the production of high-strength materials is carbon fiber, which is made up of thin, lightweight filaments of carbon that are incredibly strong and stiff. The production of carbon fiber begins with the creation of a precursor material, typically made from a polymer such as polyacrylonitrile, PAN, or pitch. This precursor material is then spun into fibers, which are heated and stretched to create long, thin filaments of carbon. Once the carbon fibers have been produced, they are woven into a fabric or other form, such as a composite material. The resulting material is then treated with a resin or other bonding agent, which helps to hold the fibers together and provide additional strength and stiffness. One of the key benefits of using carbon fiber and other high-strength materials is their ability to withstand high levels of stress and strain. This is due to the unique structure of these materials, which consists of many small fibers that are oriented in a specific direction to provide maximum strength and stiffness. Another important factor in the production of high-strength materials is the use of advanced manufacturing techniques such as 3D printing and additive manufacturing. These techniques allow for the precise placement of fibers and other materials, which can further enhance the strength and durability of the final product. In addition to carbon fiber, other materials used in the production of high-strength materials include ceramics, metals, and polymers. Each of these materials has its own unique properties and advantages, and the choice of material will depend on the specific application and requirements of the product being produced. Another important aspect of the production of high-strength materials is the testing and validation of the final product. After the material has been manufactured, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure that it meets the required specifications for strength, durability, and other properties. Testing typically involves subjecting the material to a range of stress and strain tests, including tensile tests, compression tests, and impact tests. These tests are designed to simulate the conditions that the material will be subjected to in real-world applications, and to ensure that it can withstand the required levels of stress and strain. In addition to testing, the production of high-strength materials also involves the development of advanced simulation and modeling techniques. These techniques allow researchers and manufacturers to accurately predict the performance of the material under different conditions, and to optimize the material for specific applications. One of the key advantages of high-strength materials is their ability to reduce the weight of products without sacrificing strength or durability. This is particularly important in industries such as aerospace and automotive, where reducing weight can lead to significant improvements in fuel efficiency and performance. Another important advantage of high-strength materials is their resistance to corrosion and other forms of degradation. This makes them ideal for use in harsh environments, such as offshore oil and gas rigs, where traditional materials may quickly deteriorate. In the future, we can expect to see even more innovation in the production of high-strength materials, including the development of new materials with even greater strength and durability. These materials will continue to play a critical role in a wide range of industries and applications, from aerospace and automotive to construction and infrastructure. High-strength materials have a wide range of applications across many different industries. In the aerospace industry, for example, these materials are used to manufacture aircraft components such as wings and fuselages.